approach beyond workshop is to introduce children with new topics, with different topics, which they haven't explored so far or which they haven't explored in this extent or in this way. The purpose of giving worksheets is that you people, you all students, should be able to explore the topic on your own using your any kind of tools or any kind of resources. So we don't want to continue the same system of giving homework, then checking homework, giving you assignments, and then you get the assignments, and then after your assignments are done, we checking the assignments. All that stuff we don't want. We wanted you all to get into the habit of self-learning. And when you are asked some kind of questions, like in the worksheets, you must have seen that there is some information, there is some other information about some research organization or about the person who is famous into that field. And then there are some fun facts. So once you understand, once you learn, once you read those fun facts, then you might get more curious about the topic.